Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Lovely Verador. I'm 33 years old. I live in Davao City, Philippines. I have one child. He's 7 years old, and I'm separated. I have 3 brothers and 2 sisters, and I'm high school graduate. I worked before in a fast food restaurant for 6 years, from October 13 to May 2019, which made me learn how to cook dishes. I also worked as babysitter in the Philippines for 6 years, from February 2020 to May 2026. I served 3 members of the family, 1 adult, 49 years old, 2 kids, age 1 year old and 3 years old, boy. I'll do household chores like cooking, cleaning, ironing, clothes, washing, gardening, and marketing and taking care of children. I am hardworking, honest, respectful, and fast learner. If you choose me, I promise to finish my contract and serve you as my own family. Have a good day, Mom and Sir. Thank you.